Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can install fubo TV on Android TV. So if you want to install your fubo TV on Android TV, then in this video I will guide you step by step with pictures how you can do it. So for that, just open any browser and search for fubo TV installation guide. When you search this, scroll down. Here is the first website, Fubo Help Center. Open this website. When you open this, scroll down, and here you can see the third number Android TV. Click on this Android TV, and now these are the steps how you can install in Android TV. So first of all, the first step is open the Google Play Store app from the home screen. You can see they are showing with pictures. So the second step, the third step. So these are the step-by-step guide how you can install Fubo TV into your Android TV. So just follow these steps.